witches, demons, goblins and devils, spirits of the misty vales, crows, salamanders and magpies, charms from the ditches, rotten pierced canes, home of worms and vermin, wisp of the holy company, evil eye, black witchcraft, stench of the dead, thunder and lightning, howl of the dog, omen of death, maws of the satyr, foot of the rabbit, sinful tongue of the bad woman married to an old man, Satan and Beelzebub, the infernal fire of the burning corpses, mutilated bodies of the indecent ones, parts of the asses of doom, bellow of the enraged tree, useless belly of the unmarried woman, speech of the cats in heat, dirty turk of the wicked-born goat. With this bellows I will come the flames of this fire, which looks like from hell, and witches will flee, straddling their brooms, going to bathe in the beach of the thick sands. Hear the roars of those that cannot stop burning in the fire water, getting purified. And when this beverage goes down our throats, we will get free of the evil of our soul and of any charm. Forces of air, earth, sea and fire, to you I make this call. If it's truth that you have more vow than human people, here and now make the spirits of the friends who are outside take part with us in this Komada.
Very well.